What's up guys, today I am going to show on the best top 10 bike locks in this year. Once you've bought a lock according to value, the frame being most expensive, the rear wheel, then the front wheel. Unlocked frames and wheels will likely be stolen eventually, so your best bet is locking both wheels to the frame with a chain or cable lock. Please subscribe my channel, click the bell and comment my video. Let's go. Your bike lock, motorcycle lock, electric bicycle part chain lock. Features of this product. Specifications. Product name: INBIKE foldable bike lock. Weight: about 910 grams, 2 pounds. Standard version: high manganese steel. Updated version: anti-12-ton hydraulic pressure stainless steel. Key features: made from stainless steel covered with ABS rubber paint, which can effectively prevent it damaging the bike frame. Weather and rust resistant, protects the lock from damaging and auto repair. C-class cylinder for high protection against violent wear. Resistant, high security for your bike. Advanced car rotary riveting technology to reduce the joint's gap and remain tight, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 9, West Biking foldable bike lock. 3 keys, anti-theft, heavy-duty chain cable padlock, motorcycle safety, alloy locks for bicycle. Features of this product. Item name: foldable lock. Length: 78 cm. Folded size: 7.5 x 6.6, 5.5 cm. Net weight: about 574.5 grams. Gross weight: about 731 grams. Material: main zinc alloy, steel, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 8, PAW foldable bike lock. 2 keys, strong security, anti-theft bicycle lock. The next is number 7, ROCKBROS MTB road bike anti-theft mini foldable chain lock. Folding locks, HamburgLock bicycle cycling locks. 4 colors. Features of this product. Product details: condition, brand with tag, size, lock W7 cm x H5 cm, locking plate L58, 5 cm x W1, 8 cm. Material: lock body, zinc alloy plus ABS key. High quality steel. Weight: 630 grams. Include the package. Features: 2011 Red Dot Design Award. High security and drill resistant lock. Cylinder 1 lock can lock more than one bike easily. Fixed to the handlebar, seat post, so this is the best option for you to buy. The next is number 6, INBIKE Antishear. About 700 grams, 1.54 pounds. Folded size: 130 mm, 55 mm, 30 mm, 5.1 inches, 2.2 inches, 1.2 inches. Maximum lock range: 210 mm, 210 mm.